Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Bark profile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Bark profile, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Bark website at www.bark.com. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After you complete the form, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the Bark website, where you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your email address and password, then click on the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Here, you can add additional information, such as your skills and services offered. Upload a professional profile picture to enhance your profile's appeal. Make sure to fill out all relevant fields to complete your profile. Once you have entered all necessary information, click on the Save Changes button. Your Bark profile is now activated and ready for potential clients to view. Take a moment to explore the site and familiarize yourself with its features. You can now start responding to leads and growing your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.